things aren't meant to be fair. I know you left me.
Hello, welcome to Beauty Kitty Studios. I'm going to do a quick review of these handmade glow-in-the-dark nails from SHEIN. They come with a file and sticky tabs. I am going to skip the nail prep because I only want them on for the day. So if you want them to stay on longer, I do recommend checking out my nail prep video. I also recommend using a liquid glue or a UV gel glue if you want them to really look good and stay on for a while. The base of these is sheer enough so a UV light would be able to cure a gel glue. That would make them look amazing and definitely hold on a bit longer. I just want these on for the day. If I wanted these on for an even shorter amount of time, like let's say just for a half hour to do some cute photos, I would apply the sticky tabs to the fake nail first. They kind of adhere and hold on to the fake nail a bit better, making them easier to remove. But I want these on for a couple hours at least, so I applied the sticky tabs to my nail. They adhere to my nail and they kind of hold on a bit better. These aren't like the most amazing fits personally, but they do work. For me personally, like they're not the greatest fit with sticky tabs. Sticky tabs always make the nail kind of lift up a bit and it doesn't fit around the actual real nail the way a liquid glue would make it hold on and just look like it fits better and holds on better. But this isn't, for long term. But with the sticky tabs, I would be snagging my hair so bad, so this is definitely not a long-term thing. I do kind of wish that they would provide glue, with their handmade nails. None of their handmade nails have that. They all just have sticky tabs. I mean, I have a ton of liquid glue on hand. I'm just saying for a lot of people who don't have that, it would be nice if they included that with these because they would definitely look a lot better. You can kind of see that they're not quite as neon pink as SHEIN shows the color to be. Usually like a glow-in-the-dark polish is not quite as vibrant. I don't know. That's just kind of my take on it. But they're still a really pretty pink and they're actually super glittery in person up close. Look how cute they are! So to get them to really glow, you gotta hold them under a light for a while. This is just for, I'm holding them under a light for maybe 30 seconds and they're a pretty good glow. But to make them like super vibrant glow, hold them under a lamp for quite a while. Thank you guys so much for watching and for all of your support. If you like what you see, please click that subscribe button and follow me for more fun videos.